Go right. It's definitely muddy. Let's see if they come. I don't know if they are. I want to get to the river crossing. It's like 100 feet up. Oh, wait. Oh, they're over there. They already went. Huh. Okay, I've never taken that way. Woo! Did get a little deep right there. Alright, here we go. Got the river crossing coming up now. Let's see if these boys want to do it and how deep the water is today. Oh, come on now. It's easy? We hitting it, right? Let's go. Now you had to watch the show. Rock it back and forth a little bit. Rock it forward. Oh my God. That was pretty good. Heck yeah. Yeah, this is the only time the shorter boots kind of suck, but I didn't get wet. Woo! Get up there! Eric made that shit look easy. KTM guy. Tyler's making it look fucking hard. Get the fuck up there. Alright, Budsy. Oh, shit. Let's see it. Moink it.
Bring your bike up here, we'll push it across this motherfucker. Hell no. I'm gonna
There you go. Clear that thing out. Yes, sir. Rock that thing. There you go. Yeah! Woo! He almost freaking flipped. That was good. We all made it. Rip it more. Damn, Bernie.
Bro, get off me, dude. Let's see who's got more power. No, dude.
Ow.
I don't want to do this, dude. Leave me alone. Think that way.
Should be good. Whoa, that was sketchy. I was trying to turn the GoPro on and there's a little ditch off to the left. Whoa, I kind of saved it, kind of fell, but we good. Nice little hill climb area. Oh my God, all this stuff looks so much different. Like, I don't even think there were roads here when I've been here last time. Yeah, I think that's.
Pretty cool hill climb, though.
Yeah, did you go up this side?
No.
Come up this side.
I'm up the other side, right here.
We'll go down this way. This side might be better. Oh yeah, this side is nice too. Shoo! Yeah, this is actually probably better. Hey! Oh, you gotta keep going. Oh, no. Dug a hole. Up and. Phew, they're scared to ride on the train tracks. It's a lot easier up here. Just gotta hope a train doesn't come. Over the big old bridge over the river. Here we go. Woo! Sketchy. Good view though. Alright, y'all. I think we're gonna end it there. Might ride a little bit more, do a little separate video, but I like that KTM. But appreciate y'all watching. Links for the levers, light bulb, freaking pegs. A lot of the mods on this bike, they're all in the description, so check those out. And leave a like. I will see you guys in the next one.